Hello everyone! Some of you asked me to make a video on how to make money reselling on eBay. So I want to share my tips with you. Let's do this. So how do you make money reselling on eBay? Buy low, sell high, repeat. I know, sounds easy, right? Well, it's easier said than done. How could you start? Sell your own belongings first. Why? Selling your own stuff allows you to get a feel for it without the commitment. Let's be honest, it's quite tempting to go in all guns blazing, excitedly thinking about sourcing and allocating yourself a budget to spend on stock. But before you even try selling for a profit, I would really recommend selling your own stuff. You can experiment with auctions or buy it now listings. Develop your descriptive skills and find out what works for you. You need to see the process through a few times to get an idea of whether it'll be a sustainable side income. I also recommend start small and don't take risks. Buy a few cheap items to start and see how you get on with those. Ladies and gentlemen, also find your niche and do your homework. Don't try selling things if you don't really know what you're selling. Let's say if you're handy and can fix things, then perhaps buying broken electronics and fixing them up for resale will be a great money spinner for you. If you are not, try something else. Always make sure you know exactly what you're selling. Don't pretend to be an expert if you're not. Buyers can be crafty and will often try all sorts of tricks to get a refund. If you are enjoying this video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Oh, another important thing to remember when reselling on eBay is to be organized from the get-go. Make sure you have packaging supplies, somewhere to store your stock, somewhere to photograph and list it. Create a spreadsheet tracking what you've spent and keep receipts where possible and minimize your returns. Besides all of that, you will want to clean items before you sell them. Remove baubles from clothing, cut off any loose threads, spot treat any stains, repair any holes. The way you present your item will be the difference between selling it at an auction for 99 cents or getting a decent amount on Buy It Now. I also think it is really important to develop a routine. Decide when and where you're going to source, when you're going to list, and when you're able to post items. I can't talk about sourcing items without mentioning Zeek Analytics. There are so many features such as product research, competitor research, title builder, and more. It offers everything you need to build a selling machine on eBay. Link in the description. So yes, source well, get organized, and set clear time brackets for when you're going to do things to ensure that they get done. And please don't rely on one place to source. Sourcing from a variety of places means if a charity shop closes down, you've still got other options. The worst case scenario is you can always ask family and friends for their old stuff to sell for commission. Think outside of the box and be on the lookout for new opportunities. Before we end this video, I would like to ask you if you think Zeek Analytics is also a great tool for resellers on eBay. Would you like me to make a video reselling items on eBay using Zeek Analytics tools? Leave your answers down below and we will get back to you. Take care.